Uyghurs living in Turkey accuse China of oppressing Turk-speaking Muslim Uyghurs in the Xinjiang region. Here's more on this story.
Protesters were again present yesterday as the Beijing Olympic flame started its journey in Istanbul. Istanbul is the second stop of the global torch relay. Yesterday, the flame was flown in from Kazakhstan. Amid heavy security, a group of 40 Uyghurs living in Istanbul gathered before the torch lighting ceremony to protest. They accused China of oppressing Turk-speaking Muslim Uyghurs in the Xinjiang region. Xinjiang Uyghurs have long been a thorn in the side of Chinese officials. Rights groups accuse China of using the US-led war on terror as an excuse for widespread suppression of Uyghurs and also to curtail religious freedoms. Meanwhile, 80 torchbearers are expected to cover the Istanbul leg in about 4 hours. As Karademir, a promising Turkish figure skater, jogged along carrying the torch, she was met by a demonstrator with an Eastern Turkistan flag. The demonstrator was immediately apprehended and detained by police.